In this video, I will show you how to use promo code in Mostbet. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So you already have a Mostbet account and you want to use promo code. What you have to do is to log out from that account. So you go to your profile details and click on log out. Once you've logged out, you click on register. Once you choose the register option, go to email option because this is the only option that allows you to use a promo code and activate it. Now after choosing that option, you're going to choose a country. So once you confirm your country, make sure your currency is in US dollars. Now put in an email address that is valid and also create a strong password. After doing all of that, in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, most places are going to give you up to 400 US dollars first deposit and 250 free spin as you can see on the top of your screen. Once you input the Renzo TV, click on confirm to apply the promo code. Once that is done, verify your email and password and create your account by clicking register. After registering, complete your first deposit immediately and deposit an amount of more than $10. Once that is done, your Mostbet account is going to be created using a promo code. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find the video helpful.